Tired of chasing complicated side hustles that never actually pay you? What if I told you there's a way to start earning real weekly income just by helping others save money, without selling or spamming anyone? This might be the easiest online income opportunity you'll ever see. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple platform that's helping everyday people earn from home using just a referral link and a few minutes of effort. If that sounds like something you've been looking for, take the free tour now at saveclubonline.com or stick around while I show you exactly how it works. Why most people struggle with online income. Let's be real. Most online income ideas are either too complicated, too expensive, or just don't work. You've probably seen systems that ask you to build funnels, run ads, or sell products just to earn a few dollars. And after all that, most people still don't make consistent income. That's the problem. This platform is different because it's built for simplicity. There's no inventory, no tech barriers, and no sales pressure. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be willing to share a free tool that helps others save money. What the platform does and why it works. This is a digital savings platform. It helps people save on everyday things like groceries, travel, dining, and online shopping. You're not asking people to buy anything new. You're helping them spend less on what they're already buying. Now here's the part that makes it powerful. When someone joins through your referral link, you earn weekly commissions. It's that simple. You're sharing value, you're not pushing a product, and that's why it works so well, even for complete beginners. How it works, step by step. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Go to saveclubonline.com and take the free tour. Step 2. Join and activate your account. Step 3. Use the included marketing tools to share your referral link. The platform provides a real-time income and team dashboard so you can track everything. Referrals, earnings, growth, all in one place. You don't need tech skills. You don't need to build anything from scratch. Just share your link and let the system do the rest. You don't need inventory. You don't need a storefront. You don't need to be an expert in anything. This is simple. It's direct. And it's designed to work even if you only have a few minutes a day. This is perfect for anyone who wants a low-stress, flexible way to earn online income from home. Whether you want to earn part-time income or build something bigger, this platform gives you a starting point that doesn't feel overwhelming. A global opportunity with growing momentum. This isn't just for one city or one country. It's a global opportunity, which means you can share this with people anywhere in the world where the platform is active. It's 100% online, which means your income isn't limited by your location or your schedule. This is the kind of model that lets you build income in your spare time and scale at your own pace. Take the first step. Now, if you've been looking for something real, something easy to start, affordable to join, and powerful enough to actually pay you weekly, this is it. Take the free tour now at saveclubonline.com and see exactly how the platform works. No pressure, no confusion, just a smarter way to earn. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and you're serious about creating a real income from home, hit that like button to support the channel, subscribe for more powerful strategies on earning online, and share this with a friend who's looking for a better, smarter way to earn money using simple tools and systems. We're showing everyday people how to turn what they're already spending into weekly income without selling, without inventory, and without pressure. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to build an extra stream of income, this could be exactly what you've been searching for. Like, subscribe, take action today.